Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for E-Trade IRA, where we will walk you through the key concepts and best practices to help you make the most of your individual retirement account. First, it is essential to understand what an IRA is. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a type of savings account that allows you to set aside money for retirement while also providing tax benefits. E-Trade is a popular online brokerage firm that offers IRA accounts with a wide range of investment options. To get started with an E-Trade IRA, you will need to open an account on the E-Trade website. This process is straightforward and can be completed in a few minutes. You will need to provide some personal and financial information, and then fund your account. Once your account is open, you can start investing in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. It is crucial to have a solid understanding of your investment options and to develop a strategy that aligns with your retirement goals. One of the most important tips for E-Trade IRA is to take advantage of tax benefits. Contributions to a traditional IRA may be tax-deductible, and the money in your account grows tax-deferred. This means you will not have to pay taxes on the investment earnings until you withdraw the funds. In retirement, another critical tip is to contribute regularly to your IRA. Setting up a systematic investment plan can help you make consistent progress towards your retirement goals. You can set up automatic transfers from your bank account to your E-Trade IRA, making it easy to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. It is also vital to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. This can be achieved by investing in a mix of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. E-Trade offers a range of tools and resources to help you build and manage a diversified portfolio. In addition to these tips, it is essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly. As your retirement goals and risk tolerance change over time, you may need to rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your objectives. Finally, it is crucial to educate yourself on the rules and regulations surrounding IRAs. For example, there are annual contribution limits and withdrawal rules that you need to be aware of to avoid any penalties or taxes. By following these tips and best practices, you can make the most of your E-Trade IRA and set yourself up for a secure and successful retirement. Remember to always do your research, stay informed, and seek professional advice if you need help managing your IRA investments.